Hi, I'm Carla Schimmelfinnig, registered physical therapist from InjuryGuru.com, and this is exercise number 2 in the neck exercise program number 1. This exercise is called retraction with cervical or neck extension. So let me show you. Remember, I want you to make sure you're sitting up really nice and tall when you're doing these exercises. And this exercise looks like this. You're going to do a little bit of retraction, so pulling that head back just a little bit and then looking up and back as far as you can. So like that. Let me show you from the side. So again, it looks like this, a little bit of retraction, and then looking up and back as far as you can. Now that as far as you can is important. I always want you to make sure you're going as far as you can. With this exercise, I want you to do 2 sets of 10 repetitions, and you're going to do this frequently throughout the day. Right now, that's really important. You need to do it often. So anywhere from 3 to 4 times throughout the day. If you find it's working and it's decreasing your pain, you can do that 5 or 6 times a day. With this exercise, you may find when you first start that exercise that it does give you some neck pain. And that's okay. I want you to keep going because most likely you'll find that it will start to decrease that neck pain. Now, if it causes you to have pain that comes down into an arm, or what we say shoots into an arm, or even goes as far as the hand, then I want you to stop that exercise. That is a response that we don't want. You may find right now that this exercise is not very tolerable. So it increases that neck pain and it just doesn't get better the more repetitions you do. And if that's the case, then that's your body and your neck telling you that you need to stick with the exercise number 1, which was just neck retraction. You may need to just stick with that exercise for a few days before adding this next exercise. So if that's the case, I want you to do just that cervical retraction, exercise number 1, for several days, a few days to several days. But while you're doing that, check and assess this exercise, retraction with extension, or that back bending of the head. So check that and see if it's more tolerable. If it's more tolerable now, then by all means add that right away and just keep going in all the exercises in this exercise program. So again, that's neck retraction with extension, or just some back bending, looking up and back as far as you can with the neck. 2 sets of 10 repetitions, at least 3 to 4 times throughout the day, but you can do that 5 to 6 times if you feel like it's decreasing your pain and improving your motion.